Elmo and Grover, come on over. Grover, Grover, come on over and help me, called Elmo. Grover helped Elmo. May I have a newspaper, please? Asked Grover. Why? Asked Elmo. You will see, said Grover. Elmo and Grover, come on over and play with my kitten, said Betty Lou. Not now, Betty Lou, said Grover, but may we have some string, please? Elmo and Grover, come on over and play in a garden, said Ernie. Not now, Ernie, said Grover, but may we have 2 sticks, please? Why do you need 2 sticks? Asked Ernie. You will see, said Grover. Do you need my string yet? Betty Lou asked. Not yet, said Grover. Elmo and Grover, come on over, said Bert. Let's paint some pictures. Later, Bert, said Elmo. But may we use your glue, please? Bert helped glue the 2 sticks to the newspaper. Do you need my string yet? Betty Lou asked. Not yet, said Grover. Elmo and Grover, come on over and play at my house, said Harry Monster. Not now, Harry, said Grover, but may we have some rags, please? Why do you need rags? Asked Harry. You will see, said Elmo. Grover and Elmo tied the rags to the bottom of the newspaper. Now do you need my string? Asked Betty Lou. Yes, right now, said Grover. What will you do with the string? Asked Betty Lou. You will see, said Grover. Watch. Grover tied Betty Lou's string to the newspaper shape. Everybody helped. Thank you, everybody, said Grover. Then all the friends ran off to the park. Grover, Grover, come on over, they called. Okay, everybody, here I come, cried Grover. We can all fly our beautiful newspaper kite.